Hey y'all, so today I am unboxing my brand new Brahmin bag and I cannot wait to show y'all what she looks like. First of all, this was a total surprise. Me and my man was in Atlanta over the weekend and we went to the mall and we just stopped in the Brahmin store and I was wondering why he was acting so crazy, telling me to get away from him. Turns out he bought the actual purse because when I walked in the store, I was like, she is beautiful. And let's start with this dust bag. The dust bag is huge. But I get it because the purse is a big size. So I understand why they put her in this big dust bag. Let me go ahead and show y'all what she looks like. And voila. This is the Caroline bag for the summer line with Brahmin. You see that summer color, that orange. I mean, there were other bags in the store, but when I saw her, I'm like, she is the one. So that's the going price. It is $345. I just love how bright she is. Like, I'm a bright person, so I like bright colors. My favorite color is green, but next to green would be orange. So let's go ahead and open her up and see what's on the inside. So, of course, it's going to come with a big shoulder strap. This is a thick strap. I didn't expect it to be this big. I'm kind of used to, the strap being a little bit thinner, I guess, so it can go across your body. But this one, no. This one's going to go on one shoulder. If you saw, I just showed you all where the hooks were. And I'm just going to go ahead and latch that. Yeah, this is definitely the type of strap you just put on one shoulder. I would not dare try to put this across my whole body because it would probably look crazy. So, of course, every purse comes with stuffing. So, now let's get into the details of the inside. So, let's check out these pockets, of course. I call it the cell phone pocket or the debit card pocket. I don't really know the name of the pocket, but you feel me, right? I usually put my cell phone in that type of pocket or like a frequently used card. And then right here, you got your change pocket. I usually put change. And here's the card from Brahmin that's basically just saying thank you for purchasing or thank you for choosing them. Of course, you got your wallet hook. I don't have a wallet from Brahmin, but I do have a Louis Vuitton wallet that I'm going to go ahead and hook up on the inside so that thing don't fall out because I do have a bad habit of knocking my purse off and my wallet falling out. Now, this pocket in the back is so tight. I don't know what's going to go there. Maybe a lip gloss or something. I would not put my phone back there. Here is the authentication card. So thank you all so much for watching my unboxing. See you later.